the issue of terrorist financing was very much a part of all of our conversations. The leader of our delegation and individual members also explained that as long as Pakistan was in the grey list of the FATF, they were responsive. They were forced to be responsive. To the extent that Sajjan Mir, a very greatly wanted person under the UN Security Council's list, had been declared by Pakistan to be dead. But when the FATF took up the issue and there was some serious financial pressure brought to bear on Pakistan, then they declared that he was alive. So a terrorist who was dead has suddenly become alive thanks to the FATF. So the Financial Action Task Force is very important. It is important to deter and stop, the inflow of funds to terrorist organizations, and also Pakistan government's utilization of funds. You see, they've got now a IMF bailout, then they've got a World Bank loan, then China has given them a loan. So they are getting money when they should not be getting money. And that money has to be very carefully scrutinized, that they're going for those reasons for which that money is being allocated. For example, they have among the lowest rates of education in the world. There are apparently a good 30 to 40% of children who are in school-going ages who don't have access to education. Pakistan is one of the only two countries in the world, with Afghanistan, that has instances of polio. So the healthcare situation is dismal. Unemployment rate is at 8%, which is very high. The economy is in doldrums, as we know, with the very, very poor foreign exchange reserves, 16 billion as opposed to our 600 billion. But that money that is being given to them so generously by the international community has to be very closely scrutinized, that it is going for the purposes for which it is intended, for the people of Pakistan and their development, and not to the armed forces, not to non-state actors like the Lashkar-e-Toiba, Hizbut Mujahideen, and other organizations that are on the UN's list and have been responsible for acts of terrorism not only against India, but the entire world. So I think FATF is an important factor. Our countries that we have reached out to have recognized the importance of bringing Pakistan under some regime that can control its proclivities towards terrorism, and I think this is a very important step.